Hello my dear friends, welcome to English Easylearn. Today we are going to learn about A sound words. That's E has the sound of A sound, and it is not a long sound, it is a short sound. What it comes in 10, N. So that is the sound we are going to practice. Please be with me, listen and practice it. You will become a very good English reader and you will not have any difficulty in reading of English. Come, let's go for the reading. It's how do we read A? You see, men, N, men, ed, red, wet, fell, fell, hem, keg, yell, beg, peck, peck, tess, ken. If you see here, yen, ken. Neck, like peck, neck, pen, as we have seen here, pen, yen, mess, bell, well, as a sound when it comes to W, wet, well, net, meg, bed, yep, bet, beg, hex, rest, den, as we see in 10, that is a 10, T-E-N, 10, D, so den. Yes, as we have seen here, where is the word? Yep, so this is yes. Pep, mess, Jeff, hen, as pen, hen, deck, bet, W, so that is well, this is bet, jed, ten, as den, T10, lead, as red, here lead, deb, end, ned, led, set, peg, what is that? Peg. So listen repeatedly, practice it properly again and again. If you are keep on listening, this will make it, and it will become very easy, and you will be able to guess and read it when you find this. When it comes E, even the big word you will be read. You will be able to read even if you come across a big word. Very good. Thank you for listening and thank you for watching this video. We will meet in the next video. If you are first time to our channel, please subscribe. Don't forget, because you will be learning lot of things. Bye bye. Take care.